so I have a very special unboxing video today. Probably the biggest package I've ever received. There are two things in it, and one of them is my Christmas present for my best friend. I am very excited. Also, you will notice there are less plushies than usual around me, and that's because, one, I'm rearranging my bedroom, so things might change a little bit, and two, I've got my best friend's Christmas presents hiding over there, and I didn't want to take a chance of the camera accidentally panning over and seeing them, so it's buried by plushies right now. So I'm going to avoid showing anywhere over there. But yeah, the sea of plushies is over there. Everyone is perfectly fine. But I am very excited over this. This thing is, oh my gosh, this is big. Yeah. Yeah, she big. My mother was not thrilled seeing the FedEx man dropping this off because she thought I spent money on that. She thought I spent money on that. But it is my Christmas present from my best friend. Plus one shirt I did add on to it because it was like on sale for $9. Okay, Mom? I know she'll be watching this later and she's just gonna bust into my room and start yelling at me for spending money. She's like, you bought five essential oil diffusers? 3 of them were the exact same thing. Can't say anything, Mom. Can't say anything. So, I am very excited for this because I've wanted this for a year now, probably. Close to a year. A lot of months. But, it's actually part of the set I've been trying to collect. The, House of Widows pastel pink and black set. I've got the pink and black mini skirt and the crop top over there to the set. And the dress I'm wearing now. And yes, there are chains connecting me to my belt. But, yeah, you should have seen Mom's face when I walked into the room wearing this for the first time. She actually does like this dress. She's like, it's a little bit short, and she was caught off guard, but she actually likes it. So, we're winning her over to my fashion sense. We're working on it. We'll get there. So, I have my present and one crop top in here. Yes, now that it's a week before Christmas, I'm buying crop tops. And if you don't think I will wear crop top at Christmas, you know what? I will post pictures. I'll wear this crop top for Christmas. Mom's not gonna be thrilled with it, but we ain't got family coming over anyways. We'll be fine. So yeah, I'm going to pan the camera down to where you all can see this a little bit better, and we'll get to opening it. Okay, so move the camera down a little bit, and here's a Big Bertha. I'm so excited. I have wanted this for so long. And I will tell y'all ahead of time, I'm going to use this for something it ain't meant to be used for. Keep that in mind. Also, I recorded this so my best friend could see me opening it. Because we usually open our presents together. I'm probably going to have to drop theirs off on their front porch, so. At least one of us will get to see the others opening them. She's pretty. I can already see her. Oh, that's got address not showing. Hold on. That can go down there. Okay, I think that's everything. Okay. We'll get to her. Okay, you'll be first, then we'll do the crop top. Because my best friend sent me the money for this, and he's just like, hey, buy this. This will be your Christmas present. You're making it easier on me to find it. So he didn't have to go out shopping for me. So I can't wait. And then because of the sale on there and everything, I threw in an extra $9 to get me a little crop top. So, there's the intro. My chain's getting caught. How do I open you? I don't know where the opening is. Oh, there it is. I think. I know. Also, something I love about this, there's 2 different designs on it. So either way, it matches pretty much everything I own because I'm essentially the real life Dracula at this point. They're pretty. Oh, wow. Okay. Look at that. Oh my gosh. And I didn't realize this is actually embroidered on there. I thought it'd be printed. It's embroidered. That is insane. I love it. But yeah, the front of my coffin weekender bag, which I intend to use as a purse. Yes. This, which is literally half as big, half my height, will be my purse. Challenge me, I dare you. There will be pictures of me on Instagram carrying this baby around as a purse. But yeah, the front has the beautiful embroidered cross, and the back has a gorgeous spider. When I was younger, I wanted a pet tarantula. Not so much anymore since I got chased by a wolf spider in Oklahoma. I might make a story time on that if y'all want that. But I prefer them as art rather than pets now. But yeah. Oh my gosh. This is also embroidered. That is insane. Look how shiny she is. Like, the camera is not picking up the exact color of pink. She's like, it's shade darker than what's showing up on there. But absolutely perfect to go with my outfits. I'm so excited. I'm gonna open you up and see how you look inside. But this is from the House of Widow on Dolls Kill. Let's see. What? Okay, she opens up on the side. Oh yeah. Ooh. I want to pop this so badly, like a shit bag, but I know it's going to scare my dogs. I'll go outside and do it later. I don't feel like having my mom yell at me. And here's the strap. Okay, my camera died on me there for a second, but all I did was get the strap out, so this is definitely one of my favorite Christmas presents. For my birthday, or was it Christmas last year, the same best friend, I don't know if he wants me saying his name on here, because he, last year when he started his new job, he actually had someone at his job come up to him and it's just like, "Are you Cat Knight's best friend?" I had my phone blown up. He was texting me like, "Why do the people at my work know me?" Apparently he hadn't seen the video I had posted of us on TikTok that got quite a lot of views that time. So, yeah. People locally around here in my town very much know that I TikTok everything. So, here we go. But yeah, last year for like my birthday or Christmas, he actually got me the ring light I'm using for this video, so. She's so gorgeous. I love. And perfectly matches the dress. I wish I could like stand up and show y'all the dress that I'm wearing. I'm not going anywhere. It's like 9 o'clock at night. I'm not going anywhere to get some cute pictures. I don't know. I'll post a selfie or something to try and show y'all how cute this is. I'm not even wearing shoes right now, but I've started my fishnets on. But yeah. Ooh. There's I can't show that on the camera, but there is a little zipper pocket in there, so that's nice. And like I said, this will absolutely be used as a purse. I am wearing it with these outfits. That is like a heavy-duty zipper. That is nice. But yeah, it's the Pink Coffin Weekender. I can't remember the whole name. But yeah, it's by House of Widow, and it is gorgeous. Yeah, that's like half as tall as I am. I need to stand up with this thing on. I will go like do bathroom mirror selfies or something with this so I can show y'all. Yeah. I love her. Thank you, best friend. Oh my gosh. Also, the other reason that I was obsessed with this at sight is because I have a necklace that I got from my church, mind you. I think I was like 4 or 5 years old. And it was the first time I went up, like, for people's birthdays, It's a very tiny, tiny church. So for people's birthdays, they sing happy birthday to you, and you go up and pick up a gift out of this little box thing. And there was 2 necklaces on these little ribbons. One was pink and one was blue, and there's these little, like, dark silver or black cross amulet things with little diamonds in them. I picked the pink one, which is surprising because blue is my favorite color back then. I don't know. I picked the pink one, and it absolutely matches this perfectly. And, like, I wore that thing so much from being, like, 4 or 5 years old on, that I actually destroyed the ribbon that it was on from wearing it too much. So at like 7 to 9 years old, I did my first sewing, like actual sewing and jewelry making project, I guess you'd call it. And I sewed the little pendant cross onto a black silk ribbon to make my very first choker. Yes, this started at a young age, and you can thank my church for this. My aunt and uncle are very much aware that they probably contributed to this a lot with that cross necklace. So yeah, I will definitely be wearing those together. I just threw this choker on because I was in a rush, but I will actually get that choker so I can show y'all. Yeah, she matches. Let me get her. Okay, I got her. Keep in mind, I was very young. This is the very first piece of jewelry I ever made, and honestly, I need to redo it by now. I have worn it so much. Like, the thread that I used was white, but it's turned like a dark gray from overwearing it. But yeah, and I never put a fastener on it. I've just worn it like this since I was a kid. But if I can... I don't know if the camera's going to show it, but... I was surprised how long these chains were when I first got this in, so... You can kind of see it there. If it'll... Yeah, it's not going to show it very well. But it's pretty much the same shape. It's a very dark silver. And it's got the little pink gemstones in it, and like, that is so perfect together. I will absolutely be wearing these together, yeah. Yeah, I just tie it in the back and wear it like that. So, thank you, Jesus, for giving me my fashion sense. I'm sure my mother would love hearing me say that, but yeah. So, there's my gorgeous Christmas present. Thank you, best friend. And now, to unbox the crop top. Which, I actually wanted this with the convertible cargo pants, the black ones with the red lines on them. But they were sold out. So, that's going to be next on my list of things to serotonin shop. That's what I do. I shop for my serotonin. And that's on the list now. Okay. Look at that. It says trash on it. I love it. It's adorable. Yeah. Ooh, I didn't even realize there's like little tiny polka dots. I don't know if they're going to show me. Yeah, you can see those. Yeah, there's like little tiny polka dots. I just thought this would be really cute because I have a pair of cargo pants because mentally I'm still in the late 90s, early 2000s when it was big for... It was early 2000s, Avril Lavigne. Yeah, the 90s were low-rise jeans, which I have those too, still. Mom hates those too. But yeah, I wear a lot of cargo pants and stuff, so I figured this would be absolutely perfect to wear with them. So yeah. And yes, I still go to... I have to go to thrift stores to buy my cargo pants if they're not off Doll's Kill. Just because... Where else do I find them? And it's like, at Walmart and stuff, they'll sell like cargo capris. I'm like, high water pants? I'm like, they're tight. I'm like, no, I want like the early 2000s dragging the floor cargo pants, okay? Good music died in there. Like, after 2010, good music died as far as I'm concerned. But yeah, this is my new crop top, which I love. So I will have to try this on and post some selfies. They'll probably be up on my Instagram. At least on my story. I might post them later once I get an entire outfit put together with this and my other cargo pants. Oh, another packet. Gotta wrap these up so the dogs don't get them. There we go. So yeah, I will post my finished outfit with that crop top later on. So yeah, just check out my Instagram. I guarantee you there will be photos of me wearing this beauty out. I actually had a last minute mini-cation, like a one-night mini vacation Mom set up as a surprise as a Christmas present. Like, because of, you know, things being shut down and everything, it's social distance. We're going to an area where there's almost no coops. And we're literally going to go there. It's in the mountains in the middle of winter. And we're just going to hike. Yeah, we're going to hike. And I think Mom rented a space to do something that's going to terrify me. I guarantee this will be on my TikTok. Mom's going to probably record this because I'm going to lose it. She's making me go up in a hot air balloon, guys. I won't even ride roller coasters at Kings Island. And she convinced me to do a higher balloon. Like, yeah, she said it's a tethered one, so it's only going up like 100 feet in the air, so that's not bad. I went to that, what's it called, Sky Glass or something? It's the really big tower in Chicago on a school field trip when I was younger. Keep in mind, I stepped on the glass, stood there, I'm like, I'm okay, I'm in control of the situation. And then one of the guys in my class decided to start jumping on the glass. Like, while I was on. So, I jumped off that glass real quick. But yeah, as long as I'm in control of the situation, I'm good. But I am not the one in control of the hot air balloon. So, I know you hear me, Mom. I hear you out there. This is your fault if I have a panic attack. I'm blaming you for my future panic attack on the hot air balloon. She's laughing at me. I'm gonna die. So yeah, I am bringing my plushy backpack. Bun, she's over there. I've already got it packed up and everything, but yeah, we'll be staying at a little lodge where everything's outdoors. So it's going to be very social distance. Calm down in the comments. I don't need your paragraphs, believe me. My mother is a nurse and I'm high risk, so believe me, she has me practically wrapped in bubble wrap. So this is safe. We're being careful, and of course masks and her spraying me with that aerosol hand sanitizer stuff. She loves that stuff. I get spritzed down with that all the time. So yeah, believe me, the nurse will be there. So yeah, I will be doing that this weekend. I will be panicking this weekend. But you know, after that, so probably like the weekend after that, I might throw on an outfit and see how this bad boy looks with all of them. So I can't really wear it out of the purse very much since I don't get to go out of the house, but like, yes, she matches perfectly. This is perfect. Yeah. So yeah, my new purse, I am in love. And like also, I didn't even know this was a thing when I saw it online. At first I thought it was just the cross side. And then I swiped to the very last picture. I'm like, oh my gosh, there's a spider. So yes, I love it. So yeah, that is the update. I know it's been a long time since I've actually posted a video on YouTube. I've been very busy cleaning, watching anime. Video games, that's about my life now. That's my life now. Video games, anime, and cleaning. But at least I will be able to do it in style now. So yeah, I can't wait to wear these. And if you're wondering what that banging is, I am too. So I'm gonna go see what the banging is. So thank you, best friend. And check out my other social medias, like and subscribe, and I'll see y'all later. Bye! Yeah, right there. My light is messy up, but yeah, right there. That's the shirt and the mini skirt. They're gorgeous. Oh, no, yep. Oh, there went the light again, but yeah. That's what I was talking about. That's my other set, so. Yay! Y'all. So I know it's really big for a purse, but could you imagine this as a backpack? Because I'm supposed to be going back to college soon, so oh, I'm going to a private Christian college. They ain't ready for me, baby.
Tell me like a Hellcat.